Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, we are focusing on Brazil, a market that represents a massive opportunity, but is filled with regulatory complexities that can trap even experienced companies. A critical issue that has recently emerged as a major pain point is the misunderstanding of medical device registration renewals with the national agency, ANVISA. Many foreign manufacturers achieve initial market approval and assume their work is done. But this assumption can lead to a sudden and costly loss of market access. The core of the problem lies in the two different pathways for low and medium risk devices, the notification and the Cadastro registration. The notification pathway for Class 1 devices is a simpler notification process, and the approval does not expire. However, the Cadastro pathway for Class 2 devices, while still a form of simplified registration, results in a license that is valid for only 10 years. This is the trap. Companies often overlook that this license requires a formal re-registration process, which must be initiated at least 1 year before the expiration date. Let's consider a real-world scenario we have observed. A European company launched a successful Class 2 diagnostic device in Brazil back in 2016. They secured their Cadastro registration and built a strong distribution network. Fast forward to today, they are operating under the assumption that their registration is secure. However, their 10-year license is set to expire soon, and the 1-year window to apply for renewal is closing. They are completely unaware that if they miss this deadline, ANVISA will automatically cancel their license. The consequences are severe. Their product can no longer be legally imported or sold. Their distributors are left with non-compliant inventory. The company must start the entire registration process from scratch, which can take over a year and involve significant costs, all while competitors capture their market share. This is not a rare occurrence. It stems from a failure to track regulatory life cycles and a lack of deep local expertise. The key takeaway is that maintaining compliance is an ongoing process. You must know the specific pathway your device falls under, meticulously track expiry dates, and work with a reliable local Brazil registration holder, or BRH, who proactively manages these critical deadlines. Understanding these local nuances is the difference between long-term success and abrupt market failure in Brazil. Navigating these sudden shifts is where expert guidance becomes critical. For tailored strategies on market access in Brazil and beyond, feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://pureglobal.com.